All right, everybody, we're here in the shop, and what we have here, we have stumbled upon what I like to call the Holy Grail. A few weeks ago, I was on Craigslist, poking around, and always been a huge fan, and I don't know anybody who isn't a huge fan of the 1977 Pontiac Trans Am. And that is what we have here in our shop today. So I want y'all to come over here and take a look. Here's a look up under the hood. This car has basically got every option that you want on this car. This car does need restoration, but it is a run and drive car. As you can see here, we got the shaker hood. This is a 400 high output motor. And if you'll come over here and look, this is, like I said, this has got every option you want. It's got the Hurst T-tops, okay? Again, it's got AC, Hurst T-tops, and really the icing on the cake here is if you look right there, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 4-speed car. When I saw that, it immediately, basically, I was sold. So, super excited about this project. Like I said, this is my unicorn. Probably a lot of other people's unicorns out here. This is an awesome car. Overall, it's pretty solid. Probably going to need some floor plan work. But just want to give y'all a quick overall look at this car. I mean, if you're going to restore a car or do something with the car, this is the one you want to do it to. This is the one you want to do it to. So now it's time to get to work. We're going to do what we can do to the car. I'm going to try to enjoy it and probably drive it some this summer, and then in the wintertime we'll probably break it down and start doing what needs to be done to it. But in the meantime, we got it. Thank y'all for tuning in. Any comments, likes, definitely appreciated, and just stay tuned for some more videos on this car.